Oh, come on here, please.
I don't care, just leave.
Vanessa, you see the 9 months when me carry there, so I said me hold up my hand to God. Oh God, I forbid that day.
If you're in the Orlando or Ocala, Florida area, or even Georgia, and you're looking to buy or sell your home, Donna Campbell is the realtor you should call. You can WhatsApp her or call her at 407-449-3371. Or you can visit her website at www.donettecampbell.com. Or you can also find her on Facebook.
How can a mother's love cease for the child she bare? From the very first cry, she opened her heart. Through sleepless nights and weary days, she carried dreams along the way. With gentle hands and faithful heart, she taught me how to aim to the sky. When I stumbled, when I fall, she caught my tears and make everything well. When the world seemed cold and dark, she lit a fire inside my heart. All that I am, or hope to be, I owe to my mother endlessly. Her sacrifice became my wings, her prayers became the songs I sing. Those seasons change and years
Can me carry her come now, you know? You know, say, me have to leave tomorrow. Remember, me done did talk to you about this already. And me have to go. You know things go. See, I'm me alone. And I see that work when me get, I swear, I'm glad, say, the person get it for me. So me have to go make use of this opportunity and me have make use of it. Alright, so guess what?
Yes, Mommy.
Go on inside and let me talk to your uncle here.
Mommy, I can't carry Mucho, please.
If me could have carry you with me, I would have carry you with me. But don't worry yourself. You know some I love you already, yeah? Alright, so you know uncle will take care of you. You already can bathe yourself and everything. You understand?
Yes.
So go on in. Go on inside. Push up by the door. I'm going to talk to your uncle, you hear?
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, so, bro, you don't have to worry about nothing at all. You understand? Because I done ask the wages already, so I'll get as much pay when I can send a week time. If you take you and send her to school, help buy little food and so. You understand? So you don't have to worry yourself about nothing at all.
Of course, sir, because I want to after this one and show me what situation.
Yeah.
You can't just get a work down in the town instead of figure all the way to Kingston. You don't think it's easier if you work close by where you can there for monitor. Even though I don't have no problem for keep her, but you don't know me a man and them little vibe already, so I don't know, you can't get my work again.
Oh, listen. You remember the last time I talked to you when I go in the supermarket or something? And the store uptown where the people them say no vacancy. I walk out the whole of Sav, the whole of Negril. I can't get no job. Then I left application all about a hotel and something. What I go do? Remember say I can't just have her around me so I not send her to school. You know so she have to go to school. And I know you can't do it. You're her uncle. And she already, as me tell her, you never hear me and tell her, me know she can bathe herself. If you even have the time, she know if you fry egg and them something, she can look about like sitting and get ready for go to school. All me I go do, it's like when me come down like maybe every 2 weeks or so. Because I tell her me send money every week, you know. So maybe me get the chance to come down every 2 weeks and come do her here. So you don't have to worry nothing about it. Me press the like uniform them.
Alright. Do what you have to do. And if I nothing, just let me know what I go on. Alright?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Alright then.
Safe travel.
Yeah. Thank you.
So Mother's Day I come up and I plan on a little thing for my mother, so I think they could have probably invite your mom.
I mean, I could take my uncle.
Take your uncle. A Mother's Day, no?
So,
So invite your mother. I think should I like it.
how would you know what she would like?
Then your mother, all mothers like they're taken care of.
Honestly, I cannot take her, so no.
Something happen with your mother or something. Why you always so stand up when you come to her like
Here's the thing. I don't really know my mom, to be honest.
oh
She kind of left when I was 10 years old, and after that, I haven't seen her. We not have a relationship. There is no bond. There is nothing. So, for me to invite her out, it's gonna be weird.
but you know I mean time pass, you can't forgive her and stuff, you know. Whatever they happen, you can't look past it. You're a big girl now, you're a big woman.
It's way more than that, honestly. Like, I don't judge me, but I kind of resent her. Never let her grudge, to be honest. Me just hate the fact that she leave and she did not come back. All of my important milestone, she missed it. She never tried to show up. She didn't call. It was just all about work and money. And money isn't everything, you know? So it's gonna take a while. Even if me I go forgive her, it's gonna take a while.
Yeah, but remember I said it fear first time at being a mother, you know. A one life all the way go through, so I did fear first time, so she mess up obviously, but you're there and you're good. You with your uncle did for your best interest. You know feel so?
I don't know.
Well
First,
obviously you feel like you want to take out your uncle for Mother's
because I
Day.
love my uncle.
Yeah, then that me a talk about.
What I'm saying, she did not know that was gonna work out. She took a risk. It was hard, and every time when I tried to reach out to her, she was too busy to talk. I know that the person that she was taking care of died. She came back here, and it just feels like she didn't come back because she wanted to. She came back because she had to. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
So
me
it's
see what you
different.
after, but I don't know. Yep, probably must think about it a little bit.
Mhm.
I mean like 2 weeks away, you know. So you have little time, you know. Do it for her, man, do it for me.
If me not ready for uncle ready for you, I could try though. I could try.
Let's start, yeah.
I could
We
try.
have to compromise, now, remember we have to compromise.
I can try.
Yeah, that sound much better.
So what's going on with you?
Why not now really going enough? Just work, work, work.
See.
Hey sis, what go on?
One brother. You alright?
Hold on man, man chop yourself and chop me. Give me a minute, I want to talk to you. Come out here, son. Go out in the shade over there, so come. Go walk here, son. Nobody walk there, so walk here, son. So, yeah, there, sir, chop. You can't manage to chop yard. Why can't you just pay somebody if you cut the yard?
Bro, you know say me nah no money already. And you see the house to how long Melissa come and me have to take up back the same board them and I try put them together because me not have nowhere to live.
Alright. So, me ask you a question because me talk about a situation here already, you know. You talk to your daughter because obviously you cannot live in that condition because if your house a leak, you don't have no inside bathroom, you don't have no kitchen. How you expect to live in that condition? You talk to her?
What me I go do? Me talk to her 1,000,000 times. She dey tell me how me did go a town when she did younger and leave her. She a talk like me resent her. Me not even, you know what? Me no want to say nothing way. I know so. But the way how she dey go and she a go and like me neglect her and gone leave her and me never busy with her and me used to work and send the money come. But now me dey on my face. Me dey on right now. Me dey on my face. Me no have it and me nah nobody fi cut yard for me. Me nah no money fi pay nobody. Me have to try cut it myself. You
Alright.
see how you look there.
Alright. If you know say if your brother ain't have it, you don't have it too.
Me
So
know,
here
me
me I go do. Me I go down our workplace and me I go talk to her because me out of all person who don't understand and know because I'm me when I left her with. So me I go talk to her and make she cut out the foolishness. Because you obviously you cannot live like this. You can't live like this. She can't have big house up there
No.
and big work. And you
Bro.
live here so.
Me tell you something. I'm a daughter. I me love her very much. But the way how she dey talk to me, cause she get big now and have big mansion, the way she dey talk to me, she sound like some rebellious people. Like, you know, like she dey rebel over something for something where gone from a long time. All some things she dey talk about when me no know.
Alright.
Me tell her to give me $1,000 to buy 1 pound of flour and 2 tin mackerel and little salt. And she tell me, say me fi go and go work.
Alright, sis, here. Me do understand, and me not go pick up for her, but me understand from one little level, but me have a reason with her and try to make she understand because at the end of the day, you done her mother. And you do what you need to do her. You never like say the Ghana town can have man up there and a party.
You see say, me her mother, she no realize that. You know, look like she recognize say me carry her for 9 months. Me, and fi struggle so far, go work and take care until she gets so big. Now she have it. She not even look for me. Come like me and her no related, me and her no nothing. She come like she this
Alright,
me.
done. So here, me I go talk to her and see what can be done. Because at the end of the day, you're not supposed to live, so you don't deserve this.
You know, say me no eat from yesterday.
Alright, here we do. Me not have much, but me give you 500 out of me. I don't know where you can buy, but see where you can get out like.
Thank you. God
Alright.
bless you. Me go finish chop out the place, you hear?
Alright, so me go talk to her for you here.
Yes.
Alright, later.
Alright.
This thing I got drive me crazy, you know.
Come to you now.
Cause me spend the last 6 hours I try to figure out why we short 6 cents.
6 cents?
6 cents, yes.
What do you mean 6 cents? How we short 6 cents?
I don't know, that's why it drives me crazy. Like, where am I going wrong? You know? Can't seem to figure it out.
You sure you say somebody not a thief money out of their business?
Who would be stealing money, Mr. Brown?
Must say you're a boss now, so you have to know me and your friend, but me always talk to you and like to listen, you know.
What are you saying?
Tell her I already said Jenny is our little finger fearing girl.
Well, I won't be able to act on that until we catch her on camera or I see her myself, and I haven't seen that. There's nothing I can do. I'm gonna feel like I just not like her.
Afternoon.
Hey,
What up,
come-
uncle?
Yeah, man.
You good?
Yeah, man, we're going. I want to talk to you, Denise.
Oh, you want to talk
Give
to
me a
her?
second. Check them here for me, because we need help figuring out what's going on.
That's why you have to love me, you know.
Oh, God.
Damn.
So why you never just give me a call? What happened?
And everything can talk over phone, you know. So, me just say, boy, I'm going to talk to you in person.
Okay.
Alright, so, we know say me have a little reasoning about this already, but I have to really talk to you in person about this, see? So now, your mother, see?
Mm-hmm.
Me know say, I mean, not gonna say me know say yeah, she don't have the best of relationship. I think at time now for yeah, and she fix things and wanna have a mature conversation, mature relationship.
Excuse me?
Alright, let me put it into more context. The condition where your mother live in, it don't look good. She barely have running water. She don't have a kitchen. She don't have a proper toilet for use. And you live the best life with her in a nice house, have your business,
and you're an only child, me think it's fair enough that you take her to live with you.
Wow. So why not just ask me for some money to fix the situation? You want me to move her in the house?
It's it's not even not just about fixing her house and she have somewhere to live. And your mother, and she done sacrifice her life for you.
Okay, but nobody asked her to do that. It was her job to do what she had to do. So why you keep on telling me this?
Yeah, she do it at the time when she spend at Kingston a working money and a send come down come give me to take care of you. She could have invest that in herself. And she invest in her you and know that she in a one position where she need not just someone to live but somebody to love. You are that man.
You have to be kidding. I have to joke here, make Uncle Wayne. No, I have to joke here, make you a joke.
Why you think me done a joke about something like this?
Because this not make no sense to me. You understand me and you know how I feel about the situation. And you know, say, I have a little grudge towards mommy. So why would I tell me, say, if I move her in the house? She's a complete stranger to me. I don't know this woman.
So hold on, me ask you a question. So feel like your success what you have now, it's all because of the sacrifice that she made.
Okay, but it's not about the money, though. Everything is not about the money.
Then what is this all about?
It's about the fact that I needed her and she was not there. And she promised she was going to come to my 16th birthday. She didn't show up. My 18th birthday meant so much to me and she didn't come. She wasn't there when I got my first period. You didn't even know what to do when I got my first period. It was just you. I could have called her on the phone and get her. I never yet called her and get her. So I know all of a sudden she want one daughter to do the fair. Where was she when I needed a mama? Uncle, me really don't want to start my day today. I have work to do, honestly.
Alright. All me I say, just take some time and sleep on it.
What? Uncle, we
Yeah
don't
man,
need to
yeah
tell
man,
something.
take some time and sleep on it because she make the necessary sacrifice for you. And sometimes every sacrifice now gonna look good. Some sacrifice come with certain type of pain, which is she not being there physically, but financially she do the right
Well, it
thing.
wasn't enough. I'm not gonna drop that. It was not enough. I needed her and she wasn't there. That's it. I have nothing more to say.
Alright, my uncle, I know so me never tell her no foolish shit. I always tell her the right thing then. And me not gonna beat around the bush. You need to do right by your mother. Just do what you need to do.
You know, so me figure it out. It look like it's 6 cents they take as tax. So everything good, man. We should never get upset and say I need Jenny's.
What was that? What happened?
What go on?
No, nothing. What did you say? Because I didn't hear it.
Let me take a minute. Me know you know. Me know say anytime when you get upset or you're unhappy, your face change. You can't hide your emotions.
I'm fine. It's okay.
Come
What you say
on,
about the 6 cents?
come talk to me. Left that alone. I the tax. Where your uncle did that tell you?
Well, honestly, it's the same story. But this time he's telling me that I should take my mom in because she is going through a little situation. Which it doesn't seem logical to me, because like having it's gonna feel like I'm having a whole complete stranger in the house. You know? You probably don't know, but
No man, me understand what you say. Cause me know say you never grow with your mother. Me know say you grow with your uncle, so you kinda don't know her. But nothing really wrong with you taking her in. Cause which part she live?
I don't I don't know. I think she's staying at the old house. The house that we grew up in.
The house where you used to live with her before she got town?
Well, basically, well, yeah.
So how the house is still now? Cause
I
me,
don't
me
know.
must say Storm, you just want to go come in or something, know if the house is good.
I don't know. It doesn't matter. What is the problem? It doesn't matter. It does not matter, honestly. It doesn't.
Vanessa, if your uncle is telling you that you need to take in your mother, it must be for a good reason.
No. Uncle tell me to take mommy in because he feels sorry for her. And then nothing else.
But your mother,
Not really. But listen, me and you talk about this so many times. If me hosting this lady, it's just not going to be good. It's not gonna be good. Like, me not gonna see her as a mom. It's just gonna be weird.
then it is the perfect opportunity for you to have a good relationship with her. Get to know her.
But I,
Make she get to know you.
I wouldn't know where to start from. That's my biggest issue. Like, where do I start from? Like, I haven't accepted this lady as my mother ever since me know myself and understand life. She just come back in the community now, uncle tell me to take her in and all that. It's just like, what? I feel like me I be forced to do something I don't want to.
Alright. Cause me know say you and your uncle have a very good relationship.
Right, but uncle's just me right now.
And you always tell me, anytime when you tell us if you do something, always the right thing to do.
Yes, but I don't think this is the best decision. Because, I mean, money can fix the problem, you know. Money can definitely fix it. Like, I could write a check right now, problem gone. Why me have to take her in?
I don't really think that's a good idea because my must say money can't buy happiness. No?
Whoa, so my feelings are valid. Because she tried to buy me out. According to uncle, all of the sacrifices that she did make, it was only for me, and that was only about the money. Because she never made the sacrifice to come to me, you know. So all of a sudden, okay, it's alright. It's okay now. It's okay.
The only thing me I will tell you to do is just give her a chance. Just give her a chance. If you take her in and it goes south and you want to change your mind, just be honest with her and tell her, say, mommy, me and you cannot have a relationship.
But then I'll be on the spot because would have actually put her out of the place. You get a message just like a lot. Like just imagine me taking her in, things not go good. I have to say, Miss Janet, you have to leave. How would that go? Who gonna help me put her out? What if she come in and she say, no, you're my daughter, you can't get me out. You know, and I like I say, we think about it all. I don't know if we can do it. Honestly, I don't know.
You have to make a decision, you know.
And I'm not gonna do it.
Alright. You know, say if my mother be dead, me would have ball.
Okay, and she's not there the way you mean.
If your mother dead, you know, me know say you would have feel bad, you know. You're not gonna miss her until she gone, you know. So you have to just know. You have to make a decision.
It's fine. Where you say go on with this?
Are the tax take out?
That makes 100%. So, you stop blaming the girl now?
Me not talk about that. Me not talk about your mother, but you must know.
Oh,
Can I talk about Miss
Jesus,
Janet? Work time. Going back at front desk.
plead my cause. Carry me, Lord. Hey, hey, Jesus, carry me over the troubled water. Yeah. Jesus, carry me over the troubled waters. Hey, so I don't have to worry no more. Yeah. As long as Jesus is there for me, I am sure.
Miss Janet! Miss Janet!
How that I call me? Hello?
1 second.
How that they call me? Wait there. Me there come. How they come? My daughter. Then you out here so they call Janet. You can't say mommy, you know. You can't say mommy.
I'm having a busy day, so just get your stuff and come, because you may come for.
Then me have to go left my place and then people go come take away my 2 piece of board them when me lease a lick down off my house. I them me round there they fix up in and I try tidy up the place so me can get somewhere good for sleep.
That should be okay. You said you wanted somewhere to stay, right? I'm gonna give you somewhere to stay. So let's get the stuff and come. Or you can leave them. It's fine. Just come.
So who can tell you? My daughter, who tell you say me want somewhere to stay? Eh?
So you don't want somewhere to stay?
But me not complain to you because anytime me call you and talk to you, you always dey talk to me certain type of way like say me is not your mother. So would I really love to know who pass and see me in my yard and a fast in my business and come tell you my business.
Well, it was the uncle, and apparently, well, I thought you spoke to him about it.
My brother.
Yes.
So me tell my brother what happened to me and he can tell you when no business with me.
Okay. Do you want to come?
I no come, me no want come, but more you understand. So if my brother Wayne never come talk to you, you would remember say I have one mother here, so you know,
Honestly, no. That's the truth. So can you get the stuff and let's go?
Good. All right. One want me to carry?
You don't have to carry anything, honestly, if you don't want to.
You know, me need to carry my bag with my clothes.
I'll get you some stuff.
You want to carry my bag?
All right, get the bag and let's go.
I mean, medication in my bag, you know, me have to carry my bag.
Take off your shoes. Okay, so this is home. No, no. Read the sign. There's a sign. Read it. Good. No. You can put your bag down here and we can talk. This is my space and you are welcome. However, there are some things that I have to put in place, right? I'm used to living alone. I don't have siblings, as you know. So you being here is gonna be kind of weird for me. So if you're going to take something from the fridge, just let me know. Like, don't just go and eat anything because I buy stuff that I want. I know what's there. I'm gonna one day at work and leave something in the fridge and come back home and you eat it. I'm gonna depend on it. You understand? The stuff in the bathroom, like body wash and so don't use those. Those are expensive. Bar soap in there, you can use those. But do not use like my wash and my body wash and like the condition and stuff like that. If you need anything, just ask me. I'll get you some stuff. Cool? Honestly, I don't want you to eat in the couch. These are brand new. These are brand new. And I worked so hard to get these. I wanted these for a while. Don't eat in the couch. Don't drink in the couch. The dining table is right there. No foot, no bag. Nothing like that. And we'll be fine if you just cooperate. Cool?
Okay.
I work almost every single day. I own my own business, as you may know, so I'm barely here. So you might be here alone majority of the time. You can make yourself comfortable, just not the way enough to do. Fine?
So, which part never sleep?
Your room is on the left, in the hallway. Also, I'm going to take you out tomorrow to get you some stuff because this is unacceptable. You can't around me and look like this. You just have to understand. Okay, and you didn't have to bring those because apparently you have nothing. What's in the bag?
My clothes then.
Okay. I am going to rush out because, like I said, I'm having a busy day. So, if you're hungry, get something to eat. You cook for yourself. I'm fine. I'll get something on the road. So, yeah. And if I need to shower, there's a towel in the bathroom. I already put some stuff in there, so you can just use those.
Okay.
You're okay.
Mm-hmm. Really? Oh, they don't lock. Wait. Ah, Jesus. The door lock. I mean, I have no key. What am I gonna do now? Oh. Let's see if I can get my data. Really? She not answer. Wait. She not answer her phone. The phone a ring and she not answer. Why you not answer her phone? Now me lock out and can't go.
Made it strong, but nobody never see me pain. Silent cries like falling rain. When me fall, nobody there around. No, me lost and me can't be found. Everything just turn upside down. Too late for care now. Too late for fear now. Me cry out loud, but no sound. Every day me fight for survive. No smile on face, me dying inside. Pressure build and me start slip. My mind get dark. Me did a call, but nobody here. Me did a fall, but nobody care. Now when me gone, them shedding tears, but me alone face all me fears. When me fall, nobody there around. No, me lost and me can't be found. Everything just turn upside down. Too late for care now. Too late for hear now. Me cry out loud, but no sound. Cool nights, lonely street, nowhere to go. Empty belly, but me still hold strong. Voices in my head, reality fade. People pass and them laugh and stare. Call me mad, them never care. If one hand just reach out for me, maybe my life would have different. When me fall, nobody there around. No, me lost, now me can't be found. Everything just turn upside down. Too late for care now. Too late for
Good evening.
Evening.
May I look for my daughter, sir? So on our business place name, Vanessa Accounting Firm. You know that place there?
Yeah, man, me work today. Who you say that be?
Vanessa.
Vanessa, your daughter?
Yeah, my daughter.
Are you near Miss Janet?
Who you? When me can ask me that, my daughter me want.
You know, so me work today though. So yeah, look for her.
Yes, me want know which part she there.
Well, she there now a meeting right now, for tell her the truth, you know. She not come out for probably the next hour. But me can probably talk to her and see if she can come talk to you. Something urgent?
Yes.
So urgent.
Yes.
Alright, give me 1 second. You can probably come Company Plaza. She right up there, sir.
Alright, thanks.
Alright. I'll go back in her office.
Woman. What are you doing down here, Miss Janet? What are you doing at my workplace? It's not even my lunchtime. What is, you don't hear me talking to you, what is the issue? What is the issue? And why you come on the house looking like this?
You shame me a yard. You shame me on the road. You shame me everywhere.
No, but how do you expect me to react with you looking like this at my workplace?
Me did I call your phone and you not answer.
Oh, so you decided to show up looking like this? You could even put your ear together?
Me can't
What
put
is the
me here
matter?
together. Me go throw some rubbish in the rubbish bin outside.
What does that have to do with this?
And when me come back and fi go in the house, go look about me here and sort out myself. The door closed. I me lock up the key. Me don't know if you're gone with the whole bunch of key or whatever. The door can't open. Me can't go inside. And me a
Look
call
at
you.
you. It's like you're a child living in an adult body. You lock out yourself?
I don't mean like the door fi spite. Me never know say the door that shut when me pull it in. Cause me never want nothing go in there and you come back on quarrel.
You have to be a child, you know, because obviously you turned the latch on the door that caused it to lock. How it would have lock?
Vanessa, why you talk to me? So me just come ask you for the key because me want go in. You're not ready for leave work yet.
Here's the key. Here is it.
Thanks. But Vanessa,
Just take me.
I know. Me just ask if you can give me a fear for going back because I want to come down here.
You have to be kidding me. You have to be. See, I tell me, say, people see I walk, I come down here.
Yeah,
My
everybody-
mother walk on the road.
Everybody see me. And they know say me and your mother.
It's like how the devil said in my life, you know. I feel the devil because now what are people going to say here? What people are going to say?
They not go say no, me just no, I know me alone ever they walk on road and not no fear. Me just never have no
You
fear.
walked all the way from up there to here? That's not something off wrong with you.
Everything me do, you make you mother you. If I want taxi and beg the driver free drive, you would have quarrel.
Money. You know, no talk again. Listen to me. I have work and don't lose me key. Don't lose me key. I gave you clothes and you're still wearing the old clothes them that you brought. What is wrong with you? No, for real.
Remember say you tell me say when you tell me to put on whatever you buy.
Jesus, man. Listen to me.
Young girl, why won't you change your ways? Ray, I'm just doing the best that I can. I'm just doing the best that I can.
Oi.
Miss Janet, come out I say to you. Get up. Come out I say to you. The time we had expert towel in there, could have gone in bed go lie down. You don't understand what I mean, but I don't want to lie down in I say to you none at all. No lie down in there. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. Why you sleeping I say to you? I ask you not to do that.
Vanessa, why you deal with me so? Me's your mother.
Your mother, you know?
Jason, do not interfere with this. Did I not ask you not to sleep in the city? You have your foot in on my couch and tell us them work so hard for. Oh, because you see somebody that's why you act like this?
No, you know say me sick.
Me know say sick?
realize say me drop asleep in night. You see what me do?
Yeah, but you already make yourself comfortable because you got fit all come spread out and I lie down. Me never ask me.
Calm down, you cannot be so arm to you.
Fine, I am calm. Come out of the city, yeah.
No, man. Let me stay, man.
Stay, come on, come, need to talk here.
What?
All of that for.
What you mean?
You be with the mother, so.
You already know the situation. What you mean?
No, you don't even have to deal with her, so. Suppose she not feel good or something.
She's fine.
And you cuss about coach.
Why am I the cuss about the coach? You know I didn't work for the coach.
She's a coach. Material things that I can't fuss over them things, man. Lady tired, you see.
Excuse me?
No.
What are you trying to say?
You need to fix things, man.
But I gave her simple instructions. All she have to do is listen.
I know about me, I say. She probably have got through something said there.
Just
You
she
make-
not got you nothing. Me not fall for you,
calm
mommy.
down, calm down, calm down. You don't need to talk so loud.
Me in my house, me can talk how I want to talk. You get on my nerves a little bit too, you know.
Yes, your house. What me I say? Deal with the mother better.
There's no better way. I ask her not to sleep in the couch and she do exactly what I ask her not to do. That's the best way I can deal with the situation.
You know, say, see me how God bless you, you can't take back your blessing. Your parents, you know. Your mother that watch how you deal with the mother. Can't say me never want, you know. You know the Bible says you must honor thy mother and thy father so that thy days may be longer or something like that, Panilan.
And while the Bible said that, it also say parents must not provoke their children to wrath. And mommy provoke me. She get on my nerves.
Yeah, I miss the whole point, man.
I am not. Why your uncle keep on saying me? Me not miss no point.
Yo, when you cool on here, man, I go up on the road.
Really? Whatever. You know come out here, coach yet? It's like you feel like say joke me and make Miss Janet.
Why you deal with me so? What me do to you?
I said they set up on me.
Oh, people
No,
visit
just
you
answer.
one
I
and
said
mother
they set up
upon
on
you.
me. Because you left and you go Kingston and you come back now that I am an adult and you just drive me crazy.
Me?
Yes!
I drive you crazy how?
You don't listen. Are you a child? You have a childish mentality. You don't listen. You don't follow instructions. No sleep in the couch or in that way you don't understand. And you see if I lose my relationship over this Miss Janet, you're not gonna like me, you know.
Alright.
I'm not care what Uncle Wayne want to say, no.
Vanessa, I'm sorry for sitting in your couch. But, question. Why you always call me Janet? Me's your mother. You
When?
stop saying
Since
mommy.
when? Since when?
You don't respect me.
When? When you earn the mother title, tell me. When?
From the day Jesus Christ, may I have to tell you that? From the day I went into the labor room and pushed out you as a baby. I am your mother. You is my daughter.
No, you're a surrogate.
When you start to talk, you're supposed to say mommy to me until now. Even me dead and gone. Me that still your mother even me dead and gone.
But it's not true. That is not true.
So me is not your mother. Me is your biological. Jesus Christ. Vanessa, you know what you said to me as your mother? You don't have no love for me. Anyway.
When you earn it, then you will get love. But as of right now, Miss Janet, I will have nothing to say to you. Come on, coach.
All my life.
And just while you're going there, so pray so me not lose my man over this. You hear? You can go on.
You can listen me out, please.
Fine,
Me's
I
your
am listening.
Mother. Me's your mother. Just show me one little bit of love.
So me having you stay here is not love? That is not considered love? Me I give you food, me I give you shelter, me I give you clothes. You don't need nothing. What else you want from me, Miss Janet? What else? Nothing more. Just come out and sit here before me if I mess up my nails and pull you out. And take the towel with you. No, Miss
can't just
Janet. I don't want it. I'm a present. Go on. I don't want to mess up my nails. Help you up for what? You're testing my patience.
Vanessa, the medication they will have finished. May I ask if I can get some for me, please?
Fine.
Okay, so Miss Janet, based on the tests that were being done for you, you actually checked your blood pressure, you check your triglycerides, your records say that you have actually hypertension. Do you know what that is?
Mm-mm.
Okay, so that means your blood pressure is very high. Are you on any medications right now?
Yes, but them finish.
Okay, they're finished. What medication were you taking?
The doctor, one time I did go over the hospital and the doctor tell me say my cholesterol high and me have high blood pressure.
Okay, yes, because whenever your cholesterol is very high, you have high cholesterol, low cholesterol. Your triglycerides is very high based on the blood tests that we have done. So what I'm gonna do right now, I actually have these are some medications that I've actually prescribed for you. So these are blood thinners to thin your blood. Yes, so take this prescription to the pharmacy. Basically visit the Royal Pharmacy because they have everything possible. So the drugs, medications is to thin your blood, to regulate your blood pressure, so your blood pressure can be normal. I need to change your diet as well. What are you consuming on a regular basis?
Yeah, man, banana and dumpling and rice.
Okay, okay. What type of rice?
White rice.
All right, so if you can really change your diet, because I know it's gonna take some time to change around your entire diet. But if you can eliminate the white flour and the white rice, you can, eat you can eat the banana and the yam, until you can actually get into vegetables and some other things, you know?
But doctor, the other day when me did come to you and you tear up me eye and look in there, what you seeing there? Cause you me hear you tell me about high and this and that, about me high and low. What you know that when you look in my eye?
Well, based on certain observations, your skin is very pale. Whenever you have low iron, it's actually the red blood cells in your blood. Those need to build up as well. So you can consume vegetables like spinach, callaloo, and those things.
Okay. So you sure so them pill here go hurt me because me feeling a lot of pain,
Well,
I feel sick bad, 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 bad.
I understand. I really understand. But these, you have paracetamol there, Panadol, also statin for the blood pressure to thin your blood as well, as I mentioned before. So, they will actually ease the pain.
Okay.
Yes. And make sure to make your payment at the receptionist out there. All right? And make sure to change the diet because health is wealth.
Okay.
All right. So you have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
All right? And make sure to do your regular checkups.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, so for the doctor visit, that is $7,000, and for the test, in total, that's $15,000.
There's my card.
Oh, we're actually not using card at the moment. The sign is right there.
I not even did see the sign. Miss, me don't have any cash. Me not no cash. I just my card me have. Me have to go over the machine.
Yeah, I think a machine is right there.
Okay. All right, so you can give me that, please, the prescription.
Okay.
Thank you. All right, me soon come back here.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, come in.
Doc.
Yes.
So the lady that just came in about an hour ago, she had card, right? So I told her to go to the ATM and she did not come back.
Hold on a second. You're talking about the lady that's supposed to make the payment?
Yeah.
Okay, what happened?
Yeah, so when she came, her bill came to 15,000 and she did not have it in cash. So I told her to go to the ATM and it's been about an hour now. She hasn't returned.
No, let me understand. You mean the lady supposed to make the payment and she said that she's going to ATM?
Yeah, she did not have the cash on her.
You know what? Do we not take cards here?
No, the machine is not working. The sign is outside.
Okay. Then you, as a receptionist, were you not supposed to bring that to my attention?
I think so.
Okay. Did she leave a contact number?
Yes. Yeah, she did.
Yes, let me have the contact number, please.
Okay. Here.
Okay, this is the contact number.
Yeah.
Okay, so is this on what number is this here?
This is 209-1898.
Okay. But did you give her the prescription though?
Unfortunately, I did.
Oh, that's not how we do business.
No, I thought she was a trustworthy person.
Trustworthy. That's not how this business, this is not a government business.
I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself. Because that is gonna be the amount is gonna be deducted out of your pay.
Out of my pay, listen. It's not my fault that the machine isn't working, you know.
I know that, but that's your inconvenience. It's just business.
I think you should call the emergency number and see if you can get to the person.
I would definitely give her a call. And if she doesn't pick up, it's on you.
Okay, sir.
All right?
Thank you.
Okay.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Good day.
Yes, good day. I am Dr. Chambers calling from the doctor's office in Negril.
Yes. Go ahead.
Yes, a lady recently left this number here at the office
Mm-hmm.
as a contact. So I'm reaching out right now to get in contact with the lady because she actually left without making a payment to her front desk. So I'm actually inquiring about the payment.
Hold on. I don't. Who's this lady? What's her name? Are you hearing me?
Yes, her name is Miss Janet.
Right. So she came by and she did what?
Yes, she actually did some tests and some checkup, and she was supposed to make the payment in regards to see the doctor.
Mm-hmm.
She actually got some prescription to fill, and she didn't make the payment, so we're actually calling to inquire about the payment.
Okay. Is it possible for you to send the account number to my phone?
Yes, is this the contact number that you use on WhatsApp?
Right.
Yes, I will definitely send the bank account details.
All right. And I'm sorry about that. Okay.
Okay, not a problem.
All right.
All right.
Embarrass that try embarrass me? Eh? No, embarrass that try embarrass me. I feel embarrassed that try embarrass me. Me not understand why you take up yourself going on the people in doctor office without money. You don't know, so the hospital is there and it's free.
Why I talk so loud?
Why me talk so loud? Because you make people call my phone and talk to me like say me now look after you and me now make sure say alright. I go make them know say you don't have money and me owe a bill. And you me talk to you know?
So you really come and argue with me? Say me go a doctor place without your consent?
No, after the fact say go down there without money make people come and call me phone and make me know say you know me name baby?
Yeah, my daughter. I me no have no money and me feel sick.
So why you never go to the hospital? Why you take up God the dearest doctor office at that?
I walk and see doctor place. I'm just go over there. And me explain and tell the doctor what happened to me. He check me up and everything, give me prescription. And then he asked me for money. Me tell him,
What the prescription? Miss Janet, not a thing no deal. Nothing no deal. Nothing.
You stay as my daughter. Vanessa, me can't believe say so you treat me. If me never sick, me wouldn't go down there. I sick. Me sick for true. That's why me go.
Not a thing no deal. It's like a punisher try punish me. The whole of my life you punish me. Now you come. Listen, me can't do this today. Because I don't feel say nothing there, no. Nothing there. A sympathy, you look, and attention. And I don't have that figure. I'm a busy. Listen.
Oh.
Wait, me can't do this. Me cannot do this. You have to just leave, honestly. This is too much stress for me. They make me have to rush out of the office. I have so much stuff to do. Me can't attend to you. You're not a baby, you know. You're not a child. If you needed to go to the doctor, you should have asked for money. Well, you should have let me know.
But
Then take up yourself and go to the private doctor.
You don't want to give it to me. You tell me if you not touch this, me know if you take that, me know if you use
Because
that.
me explain to you, so I'm not used to having somebody around, and the person me have around is you. So it's just a lot.
You is my child. You used
don't
to
feel
around
like
me.
it. No, I
I
don't.
can't believe that's how you treat me. After me left that town when you're younger, and go work out all my life. All of me sweat. Because of you, that ain't come out.
First of all, I did not ask to come here. You made the decision where you make, and it was not the best one. You leave me with my uncle from I was, what, 10 years old?
What all the money?
And all I saw was him. And him alone me care about. Me not care. Mommy, Miss Janet, just leave, honestly. Respectfully.
All of the money when me work, me send it come give me brother to take care of you. And now
It wasn't
like
enough.
you throw me under the bus.
It
You
was
don't
not
care about
enough.
me.
Not
You call me Janet like me a neighbor, me a friend. You is my daughter, Vanessa. Why you doing this to me?
Where were you when I get my first heartbreak? No, I just uncle alone did it there. Where you did it? Me could have called you up on the phone and get you. Why you want to call my phone and get me all the time?
You realize what you just say? Uncle, that is my brother. Me never leave you with no stranger.
So
That was the only option for me. And it better me leave you with your uncle than me go leave you with stranger and then take disadvantage. You want me come out to your place?
What if uncle did abuse me? What if he was that type of
You
man?
want me come out?
Yes, leave. Just leave.
Yeah, oh, come out to your place.
I don't care. Just leave.
Vanessa, you see the 9 months when me carry there, so I said me hold up my hand to God. Oh God, I forbid that day. You, God, go and punish you. God, I go punish you.
I don't care.
It's wicked.
I don't care.
You're heartless. You're heartless. We can't believe in me, Janet. Carry you for 9
I
months.
don't care. Just leave, mommy. Just leave.
I will leave you with me, brother. You make it in a life. All the sweat and the tears. It's because of you, and now you're showing you the
don't care.
Girl, I leave you to time, oh God. I'm going to take out my things and come out of your place. That you want, that you're going to get. I wish you all the best.
Why you take so long?
I left your place, you know. I left your place. As I said before, wish you all the best. But you see them tears, yeah? And then 2 years. I saw.
Where are the rest of the things? Just carry everything.
Vanessa.
Just carry everything.
You see when me carry a yard, I hit me a left with.
Fine, I'll give them away.
You see when me leave inside of your house, you buy them give me. But has no hold up the bag here with their whole clothes that when me carry come in your yard. And me leave with them in the name of Jesus. Take back your clothes them what you give me. Everything what you give me, take them back. Me no want nothing from you, but in God I trust. Vanessa, leave you to God and time. I leave you. Wayne.
Yeah, what happened? Come in.
No. Better you come out here to contact me because I'm not going to stay long. I have to go back.
What happened, you know? Where I go with bag?
Your niece run me out.
Where do no make sure run out?
I don't do nothing more than know say me sick already. Me feel sick, I feel whole heap of pain. And me left and go to one doctor. And me go to the doctor. The doctor charge me one money. And me think say me did have one money for my card. So the doctor write up everything and give me prescription and everything. And me take the prescription and tell the doctor say me soon come back. Me never go back because when me go to the machine, push in my card in there, $0,000. No money no dey on it. The machine a push you out back. Then too me never understand the machine now. Me a try again. So as somebody wey did in the line behind me can't do it and then tell me say no money no dey on the card. So I hit she come and start curse me, run me out her house, say disgrace me come
Hold
to
on, me
disgrace
ask you,
her.
cause honestly to God, me think say it one did at least I have a good relationship and things when you fix up back. Because honestly, that's the only reason why I tell her say, yo, take you up our house. So you could at least even patch up things. But they expect say them sit here go on.
Wayne, me try my very best with my daughter. You see true, me did gone so long and the work, although me the work and send money come give her, me when they take care of her. I know that me they talk about now. Me just a mention certain things you understand say. She act like me did neglect her. Like me never business with her. No, you talk to her and me go over her house. Me sorry say me go. Because me go fi try fi build a relationship with my daughter. All me dey try fi communicate with her. She act like she have no reasoning ability. Every time me try fi hold a proper conversation with her, it's like she have nothing constructive fi tell me. She just a tell me this and I tell me busy.
All
Me
right,
I got work.
Hear me,
Me not no time for you.
hear me go do. If I anything, maybe sleep on the couch
Aye.
and you're catching in my room.
No, my brother, thank you very much. Me know say you is a good brother to me. And me thank you for stay with her from she did small until now and everything what you do. But me no want come stay here so with you. Because you see me piece of house when me have round so. Me a try take up the little board them and a build them and but me soon finish. One lady will live crossway me buy me one piece of ply. I me lay down pan and sleep sometime
All right.
because Melissa did wait up in my trash.
All right, hear me go do. Me I go see if me can go back and talk to your daughter and see if me can fix up things. Because of foolishness this.
Me feel sick bad. Me have to go back around in my yard.
No, listen me and say the man, me say me I go talk to your daughter and see if she can take you in back. Because of foolishness this.
Me, if your hero she disgrace me, do me the beg you. You see the last time when me talk to you and you go talk to her, me no know what you tell her say but she find me and come for me. And you see what happen now? Me no want it happen again. Please me the beg you, nobody go back to her again.
All right. If I anything, me will try to see if me can even get one little help or something for you. Me can even knock on back too
See
much.
there?
Me can sit on the house.
Other day me go down her workplace and they try talk to her. A crowd she call down for me. Disgrace me in front of everybody.
Honestly, all them a sit here me and you not say nothing to me.
Because me no want put all of the stress on you. Me have to try and sort out myself although me sick. And she knows say me sick. And for
Alright.
my daughter how she
All
deal
right.
with me,
Here we are. Don't worry yourself.
God shall punish her.
Go on in your yard and me will see what me can do.
Alright. The prescription, you know, when me get from the doctor, me no fill out it all now.
Don't worry yourself, man. Me see if me can deal with that for you. All right.
Okay.
Vanessa.
Yes, uncle.
I want to talk to you, man. Sit down. I want to talk to you. Sit down.
Talk to me about what?
Vanessa. What your mother do make you really hate her so much?
I know you were growing.
Yes, I'm agree, but that not change the fact that your mother.
You never did it throughout all of my journey and see everything I got you. And she never present and she never care to be present.
All right. Make we put everything in a context because I feel like say you really I miss the whole point of why me come there. So me ask you if you just
take in your mother because her condition, her living condition. You take her in, and me expect say, boy, at least this would give you a chance to bond and to fix what was broken. And instead, you don't treat the woman like the woman know nothing. It no matter if I'm me take you in or not, I'm a sister. And if me was in the position, me wouldn't take her in my yard. But because you in a better position, because she make sure say she do what she need to do as a mother, I make sure say you come out to be where you be. And instead you run out the woman to go back down in another condition they go live.
Uncle Wayne, I think you're not seeing the problem because she was a sister first. I have mad love for her. You just can't see which part she go wrong in my life as a mother. I think that's the issue.
Alright. She did you wrong. But at least there is still room and an opportunity for you to fix it. So wait, you're not willing to try this one and have nothing to do with her then?
I don't know where to start from.
Alright. Here is a suggestion because you try one thing which is take her and it not work. I think the best thing to do is to want to seek some form of counseling.
No. I'm over it. I'm over it.
Honestly, Vanessa, me disappointed now. Me disappointed now because me don't know when you become this bitter.
I'm not bitter. You have to know that this would have happened because me tell you, so me still have resentment, me still I got you a lot. Me not heal from none of the things that might happen.
That is why I am suggesting that the both of you get counseling. Because obviously you not heal and she at least would want to get to know you.
The adult, me. I'm still figuring out me. Me not even it can't work, honestly. You know what I'm saying? Just continue being my uncle, being my daddy, being the person who grew me, and then everything will be fine. Me don't need nobody else, honestly.
Alright, you know what? I think this is like beating a dead horse, you know. So you know what? I just leave it where it is. And me will try to do my best by my sister.
Exactly. They say, my sister, that is why you're refusing to see the point.
Alright. I'm gonna just leave you make you just figure it out. I'll leave you make you figure it out because obviously me saying anything to you, it don't make no sense. You not listen to nothing me I say.
Uncle, we're cool, right?
Me you're good. Me you're good. Me I have no problem.
Good. So if you need something, just let me know. I'll give you the money. But as it relates to Miss Janet, there is nothing more I can do, to be honest.
Before me leave, I'll say one more thing. You remember when you said money is not everything?
Yes.
Right. So sometimes money is not everything. And I'm talking in your case. Maybe because you have little money, it's not everything. So I'm gonna leave it at that.
How can a mother's love cease for the child she bare? From the very first cry, she opened her heart. Through sleepless nights and weary days, she carried dreams along the way. With gentle hands and faithful heart, she taught me how to aim to the sky. When I stumbled, when I fall, she caught my tears and make everything well. When the world seemed cold and dark, she lit a fire inside my heart. All that I am, or hope to be, I owe to my mother endlessly. Her sacrifice became my wings, her prayers became the songs I sing. Those seasons change and years may fly, a mother's love will never die. It's written deep inside of me. My first home, my memory. Mama, through pain she never showed. Every lesson, every scar. And though I chased my own sunrise, I still saw life through her eyes. Through every victory I found, I heard her voice above the crowd. Through every battle, every storm, her love keep me calm. All that I am, a home to be, I owe to my mother endlessly. Her sacrifice became my wings, her prayers became the songs I sing. Those seasons change and years may fly, a mother's love will never die. It's written deep inside of me, my first home. Then came the day I feared the most, when heaven called her home. The chair sits empty by the door, but I still feel her love. Even more. I reach for words but none can say.
Sis!
Oh,
Janet!
hello?
Hey, brother, man. Forward.
May I come? May I come?
Hey, look, see, alright? Come on, man. Come on, carry go see if I can even get a little something to eat or something. Sure, see, alright? Come on, man.
I feel so good.
You sure, see, alright?
I don't think me alright, but
You want to go, doctor?
I don't feel so good. I don't feel so good.
You want me to carry back, go, doctor?
If you want to carry me, I can carry me.
Jesus Christ, sis. Oh, God. Let me see if I can hurry up, call one taxi or ambulance or something. Yeah. Oh, gosh. Sis, stay with me, stay with me. Yeah. Me need some help. My sister just dropped down. Yeah, me there bastard to walk. Jim Thompson Lane. You hurry up, man. You will see me right. As I drive past, you will see me.
Hello? I want to talk to you. I'm outside. I'm outside. Hi.
How going?
Excuse me? You haven't seen me in what, like 2 weeks now? You're not happy to see me?
Of course.
Okay, so why you deny the hug?
No, in a hugging vibe right now. To be honest.
I don't understand.
You remember the last time I say?
Yes.
And the whole thing with your mother. I don't like how you deal with your mother from that day there. And you don't send up more to me from then.
I tried calling, you didn't answer.
No. I'm never in a talking mode. But I don't like how you deal with your mother. Because I love my mother, you know. And I feel a way how you deal with her. And when I even talk to you about it, you still give me attitude. Tell me say you're your place and everything.
Oh, well, I'm sorry for that. But what happened with my mom and I, it has nothing to do with you. Why you put yourself in this situation?
I have to put myself in a situation.
Why?
I could have me kick out, you know.
But me never did I kick her out. The rules are rules.
You never kick her out, but look how you deal with her. I tell you she could have sick her or something. Are your mother, you know? You know, see nothing wrong with that.
It has nothing to do with you, honestly. It just has nothing to do with you. Just focus on us. And I said, I'm sorry.
Well, that. You feel how you feel and I feel how I feel. I just not think we're compatible no more. To be honest.
What are you trying to say?
You see, we are clash about your mother. Like, we're going to clash about whole part of
That
things, you know?
shouldn't be happening though. All you have to do is mind your own business. Simple.
Your business and my business.
Well, not when it comes to my mom. It's just like a long story.
You see, I can't even talk to you, because I try to explain something to you and still tell me another thing.
Alright, listen. I'm listening to you.
You're not listen, man. You're not listen, man.
Alright, so what are we doing? Because I miss you.
I know you have a problem, you know. I mean, I have a problem. Somebody said, I'll take a break.
What exactly is a break? Because I'm more than experienced to know what breaks mean when it comes to relationships. So
Vanessa, any
just
you want to
be
take
blunt.
it.
That's all I'm asking for.
Anyhow you want to take it.
Fine, I'll give you a break.
Yeah.
Hello? Oh, hey, uncle. Uncle, what happened? What happened to you?
My sister get a stroke.
Okay, and how much money we have to pay?
She never make it either. She never make it. She never make it.
What? Wait, what do you mean by shouldn't make it?
You look like whatever she that go through stress her out. And her blood vessel bust in her head.
See what I'm saying? You tell me some mommy dead? No, don't tell me that. You tell me some mommy dead? Uncle, mommy dead?
Yeah, she never make it.
No! Tell me say a joke. We need to speak to somebody. Tell me say a joke. Tell me say a joke, uncle.
Why
Tell me say a joke. Tell me say a joke. No. No, uncle. Listen, this is... Tell me say a joke. Tell me say a joke. This is all my fault. I'm stressed out.
Don't blame yourself. Don't blame yourself. Blame yourself.
Oh, God. I wanted to make it right. I just couldn't forgive her and I told you.
I said go. Don't worry about it. No, but she did in a better place.
Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. Me get her back right in my position and me treat her so horrible. Oh my God.
No worry about it, man. No worry about it. Vanessa, I want you to know, say, regardless of everything, you know deep down you did love your mother, and your mother did love you. And but definitely know that some way, somehow, she forgive you for everything what did happen. I know say really and truly, it's just a situation. I know say at this point in time, you know you're sorry, but life goes on. I just know say I'm there for you. Right? Right? Alright, I'll be right back.
How can a mother's love cease for the child she bare? From the very first cry, she opened her heart. Through sleepless nights and weary days, she carried dreams along the way. With gentle hands and faithful heart, she taught me how to aim to the sky. When I stumbled, when I fall, she caught my tears and make everything well. When the world seemed cold and dark, she lit a fire inside my heart.
If you're in the Orlando or Ocala, Florida area, or even Georgia, and you're looking to buy or sell your home, Donna Campbell is the realtor you should call. You can WhatsApp her or call her at 407-449-3371. Or you can visit her website at www.donettecampbell.com. Or you can also find her on Facebook.
At Richard Brown's Films, we offer more than just movies. We offer professional photo and video services. In case your family members or friends are unable to attend your event, we can live stream it just for you. So if you're in need of a professional photo and video services, look no further. Call the number on the screen. Guess what? You can get to meet some of your favorite actors and actresses at your event. If you never knew, now you know. Pick up the phone and call us today to book your special event.